What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. In today's video, we'll be discussing the power of stock options. Today, I'm just looking at the market. I already took a trade and I am green on my live futures account. More to come on that, and essentially just some updates overall as it pertains to trading, because my mindset has shifted. Today's video, I'll discuss pretty much my mentality on starting a small account challenge within my Robinhood broker. I'm just looking at the market today. Like I said, I already took some trades this morning. We're green on the day. So 10:58 a.m. my time. Today is February 19th. So let's hop into the video. You know, where I started this initial journey, it was essentially like 70, 80 something dollars. And we came out swinging pretty much, you know, to start the new year. We started it off very well. So let's hop into that. Just some quick clips that I pretty much pulled. You know, we were able to get the account up to 724.69 overall. As you see, was up a few hundred that specific day. A 619 put on January the 2nd. Contract cost was $83. And I had a realized profit of $411. I mean, do the math there. If you wanted to talk in terms of risk to reward, that is essentially what I'm trying to show you in this video, the power of options. January 2nd, you know, we started the year off strong, being able to see a trade go the distance. And this will not always happen like this. So this video is not intended to really sway you any one specific direction. Most recently, you have seen me trading futures, and we'll definitely provide you some updates. Like I said this morning, I traded my live futures account. We were green on the day. I've actually been doing that all week, you know, so my mentality has definitely shifted a lot from prop firms. I've kind of elaborated on this a little bit. More to come on that. We'll let you know pretty much my thought process these days as it pertains to prop firms, because there is very much a psychological aspect that I don't think people understand may be hindering them from getting to where essentially they want to be, need to be. We'll dissect that, because within your journey, you're gonna learn, you know, so many different things. And I posted a video similar to this earlier on my channel, because I initially started with stocks and then eventually stumbled upon futures with prop firms. And there is an opportunity for both. But with prop firms, even with live trading in general, too often, too many people focus on the money. They focus on what I can make. They don't focus on process. They don't focus on what they can lose. And so that's why I want to be very strategic with the information that I put out there, because as I've mentioned before, a lot of people are consuming the wrong information. So my goal is to not only share my journey, but add value to be able to help somebody up, free somebody who truly is on the verge of not only figuring this trading stuff out, because it all boils down to, again, for this specific channel, it being the level up mindset, how to level up in every aspect of life, spiritually, mentally, physically, financially. My wife and I have multiple streams of income. Day trading is an avenue to ultimately get us to the destination where we would like to be in life. If you know, you know, as they say, most wealthy individuals have at least 7 streams of income. Overall, just a quick video to kind of give you a little bit of some updates, what I've been up to recently, starting with just this small account challenge within Robinhood. I wanted to just build up some capital, but I'm thinking long term. So for me, game plan is starting to transition into long-term investing, having that passive income, not so much just the hustle and bustle of day trading. If you know, you know, but there are various different ways to trade. I was able to take a small amount of leverage, and, you know, essentially we took $83 to almost $800. You know, so of course, within that, the goal is to pay yourself. So, you know, that money I didn't necessarily put back into the market. But what I do want to do is kind of do the same thing again. Let that account grow, compound small base hits. Of course, you'll take losses along the way, but then start also making investments long term into great quality companies, into dividends, things like that. A lot of, the avenues within trading where we're focused on generational wealth, focused on passive income. So that was the goal for that account. Like I told you this morning, I traded, and I have been doing that all week, my live futures account. So more to come and an update with that as well. But yeah, that's essentially where we're at. With that being said, that wraps up today's video. If you haven't already, like the video, sub if new. A lot more to come. As always, level up your mindset, level up your trading, and more importantly, level up your life. Catch you on the next one.